Hi Eclipse enthusiasts, Lance Bass here, and I want to tell you how to protect those eyes and stay safe during a solar eclipse. During these celestial events, the sun, earth, and moon are in sync, creating solar eclipses. During an annular eclipse, it's not the moment for a sun staring contest. Grab those eclipse glasses and shade your eyes from the ring of fire. What you'll witness is a true cosmic marvel. The moon will move between the sun and the earth, but the moon is a bit too far away from Earth to completely cover the sun. So, when you look up at the sky during this annular eclipse, you'll see the sun creating a glowing ring around the moon. Because the sun is never completely blocked, it is never safe to look directly at an annular eclipse without special eye protection for solar viewing. This I promise you. You should wear eclipse glasses so that you don't say bye to your vision. Seriously. And eclipse glasses are not the same as regular sunglasses. No, they're not. Safe solar viewers are thousands of times darker and will have a specific certification that you should look for right here. Don't be a space cowboy and try to look directly at the sun. If you don't have eclipse glasses, you can use an indirect viewing method, like a pinhole projector. You can make one of these with something as simple as an index card with a hole, or a colander, or even your hands. With the sun at your back, you can safely project an image of the sun through the hole onto a nearby surface like the ground. It's gonna be me who is wearing my eclipse glasses, and so are you. Follow these safety tips and join us for the annular solar eclipse on October 14th, 2023.